Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour experiment. Still trying to experiment with my new recipe that I'm working with. I've accomplished some cells, not exactly the structure that I want, but it's better than nothing for now. So we'll keep experimenting. I'm going to do 2 ribbon pours, or a 2-cup ribbon pour. So we'll start with white. Okay. Okay. Okay, after white we'll do blue. Oh, what did I do with my blue? Oh, this isn't the blue. Is this one a blue? No, this is an older blue. Yeah, that wasn't the blue. That blue had iridescent medium in it. And the new blue that I have does not have iridescent medium, so I've got a tiny bit of that other blue in there. Okay, and this blue is thicker. We'll do it from up high. Okay. Next color. Will be my yellow, my handsome yellow medium. Okay. And lastly, we'll have the red. This is a magenta. This is a, yep, this is a magenta. Let's go ahead and pour it in. Okay. And you know what? We'll end with white because I want it to be light. Okay, so that's all my white. So we will start in the center. If we can tilt this a little. Oh, one thing I need to do with my ribbon pours is make sure I fill in all the spaces so that I don't have to tilt that much. Okay, I don't have enough paint in my cup. Okay, so I'm all out of white. I have tons of yellow and blue, which makes green, which I don't like. I'm gonna have to use some of my older paint. So I've got some blue, I've got some green, I don't have any white. I've got a tiny bit of white. So let's go ahead. I think this canvas is a mess so far. Go ahead and put in some of this older white that I have with some of this yellow. And some of this magenta, which is I'm gonna have to scrape out. Let's get the corners. Okay, great. Letting it sit for a while brings out all the cells, as you can see all around here. Okay, that's good to know. So let's tilt it to the right first. bottom. Okay. I dropped it. Continue tilting. Okay, so I dropped it. This is really cool. I like this. It's like all crazy designs. Okay, I'll get you a little closer. So I am seeing some selling. Seeing lots of cool colors. Hands all clean and so I can grab the camera. Okay, so let's get a little closer so you can see the detail. Okay, so bottom left. See some nice colors, some nice selling. Let's focus it a little better. Okay, we go up. There are all these crazy shapes. All the colors are like independent of each other. Okay, so I guess that's what happens with a ribbon pour, where the ribbons are thin. This is very interesting. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll continue experimenting to find the best recipe for the paints that I have. But this is very interesting. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe.